Hello there guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today, I will be talking about cleaning and sanitizing to reduce the spreading of germs that causes illness. Because I am here in Canada and the winter here is very long. And during this season, a lot of people get colds, cough, and flu. That's why we call it here as a flu season. Since I am operating a home-based daycare and the people are coming in and out to my house, it is my responsibility to ensure that I am providing a clean and hygienic environment to my children. Especially now that there is a coronavirus outbreak that is spreading in most parts of the world, right? So I will be sharing you my method and the things that I am using cleaning and sanitizing my home to prevent not just coronavirus or common colds, but also all other contagious diseases from spreading. So, please keep watching. These are the items that I use cleaning and sanitizing our home. For wiping surfaces, I use clean cloth, disposable towel, paper towel, and disinfecting wipes. Bleach is the main item that I use sanitizing most of the areas. You have to make a solution of bleach and water. One part of the solution is bleach, while 99 parts of the solution is water. So it's like 1% of the solution is bleach. So I made this bleach water solution, and you should replace this every day to make the solution effective. This is the disinfectant spray that I use every day before and after my daycare hours. As of now, in Walmart and in Superstore, they're running out of it. Maybe the people are panic buying because of the coronavirus outbreak. This is another item that I use in cleaning and sanitizing most part of my home, like the bathroom. I use it on the toilet bowls, sink, and bathroom floor. I also use it in my kitchen sink or kitchen floor. If you don't like the smell of the bleach water solution, this one is a good replacement because it is available in a different scent like apple, lemon, lavender, and many more. For cleaning dishes, I use the dishwasher most of the time or all the time, but if I do have a quick washing to do, I use this one. It has an antibacterial properties as well, so it's good for disinfecting. This is the last item that I use in cleaning and sanitizing. I use this mainly on my living room floor. It is a disinfectant cleaner that shines and protects my laminate floor. You can use this as well in hardwoods or vinyl floor. On a daily basis, before and after daycare hours, I sanitize most areas that people touch us, like doorknobs, switches, floors, sofa, remote, and coffee table. Food preparation areas such as tables and chairs or booster chairs, countertops, and kitchen sink should be sanitized before and after each use. Small toys and dishes that goes in child's mouth should be washed daily or after each use. Hand washing sink, faucet, soap dispenser, and counter surrounding sink should be cleaned and sanitized before and after toilet routine. Toilet and toilet bowls should be cleaned and sanitized in a minimum of once a day, more often if it's visibly soiled. Potty chairs and toilet seat should be done after each use, while bins or diaper pails should be done daily. Every day I spray disinfectant in children's playroom and children's nap room. I also do vacuum on a regular basis. Large toys, toy shelves, activity areas, chair and tables should be done weekly. More if it's often soiled. And lastly, dressing up clothes, stuffed toys, linens, and blankets should be washed weekly. Those are the routines that I do in maintaining the cleanliness of my home. Sanitizing your house is very important whether you are operating a home-based daycare or not, because it helps to eliminate illnesses and allergies. And there is no better feeling than having a place that is so clean, organized, and free of germs, because it makes you feel positive, confident, and relaxed, right? I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from my video. And again, this is Rina, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe in our channel and please watch other videos on it. Thank you so much again, and hooray!